Bed mounts. These are going to be my bed mounts. So the wooden blocks over there, they're 2 1/8 tall and they're 2 1/4 wide. So I had that 2-inch square tube, 2-inch box. It's thick. It's too thick, but it'll work, right? So it's 2 inches. Then I take a piece of 1/8-inch plate, stick it on top, and now I'm 2 1/8. And then instead of being exactly 2 1/4 wide, I made them so that they're going to fit on top of the frame. I only need 4. That's 8, but I only need 4. The back two, I'm going to use the wood block because it's accessible. I can get to it, but these I can't. So the nut that's going to go on is a 14 millimeter. So I have wiggle room in here to tighten it down like an animal. So experiment number 1 is going to be rather easy because the block for the front, the hole is centered. So we can drill it right here. The block for the second is offset. So I'm gonna have to take the block off. It's not that hard, it's only held on by tape. Take that off, use it as a pilot, and get it set that way. So, sorry. My pockets are unzipped. They get full of schmutz. I know it looks rough, but it's okay. We'll fix it, right? I'm gonna weld it on, and then I can grind to make it match. Because the rubber piece will sit on top of this. So instead, on the wood side, the frame, then the rubber piece, then the block. On this can be welded on, then the rubber piece, then the bed. And I thought about cutting this out because that would give me a 1/4 inch or more, but I don't really need it. You know, they're only going to go on and stay on. So I think first I'm going to weld this one and see how hard it is to drill through all this stuff. And then if it's too difficult, I'll do it one at a time. And then everything's metal, so I should be able to use my bench as my ground. Oh, I hate it.
why don't you hush? Well, one deacon jumped up, says, sister, why don't you hush? Said, oh, you know you drinks corn liquor, girl, your lines are horrible stuff. Well, this other sister jumped up, she began to shout. Jumped up, she began to shout. She said, oh, I believe I know what it's all about. Baptist church. I'm on kidding me religion. Join the Baptist church. I'm gonna be a Baptist preacher, and I don't have to worry.
So there's one. If you drilled the hole and set this on top as a spacer and then put the rubber block on there, I don't think it would move that much. The bolt would probably hold it all into place, but we'll see. So we'll swing our bed into place. The bolt will drop through, and then we can attach the nut from the bottom. It'll have to be from the inside because, well, on this one maybe we no, it's covered by the panel. So we'll have to get right here. But it'll work. So it fits on the panel, or it fits on the frame. I can eyeball my hole. We're good. We can weld it. It'll look like it belongs there. And we'll be able to secure the bed. So we got this one, that one, and then the two on the back. To make yet, and we got a little bit of wiggle room for alignment. So back to the bench, off we go.
them swamps, singing his blues by that old cypress storm. Chopping trees, driving a tractor all day. He works that push pile all night down in Arwindale Way. Lord knows it's just one man. Try to live out them songs he wrote. Took him down too soon, took him down too slow. One thing he told me, the one thing I learned: blues can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned. He's a walking catfish, he run a chicken down. His jungle in this hill town. He's the devil in a black dog. He's evil.
Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, I'm chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.